friends, how are you all doing? I'm so excited to bring you the latest collections in suits and blazers. Yes friends, in this video we are going to see exclusive collections in size 44. Yes, see, size 44 collections in suits and blazers only. You are lucky to get size 44 ready-made suits and blazers only at Shahenshah at very reasonable pricing. The quality is top class, a very nice feeling when you touch it, and you have a ready-made pant. Please see the ready-made pant. I'm also going to show you the ready-made pant. I'm going to take it out and show you. We have size 44 ready-made suits. These are proper comfort fit suits. So if you are wearing a shirt size of 44 or wearing a slim fit size 46, then this is going to fit you very well. See, this is a complete ready-made pant. The pant of this comes in size 40, hip size 40. We also have the material here. Let me show you. This also comes with an extra material at the back. So up to 2 inches it can be opened up. So if your hip size is 41 or 42 also, we can always open up the pant. So it's going to be very comfortable. So let me show you the colors in size 44. The price starts from 2,800 rupees up to 5,000. So do you have an upcoming wedding? Is it your big day or you have an engagement? So you are looking for a nice suit to wear? Then visit Shahenshah. If your suit size is anywhere between 34 to 44, visit Shahenshah and you will be surprised to see the suit collection here. We have suits starting from size 34 up to 44. Size 34 to 42 starts from rupees 2150. And size 44 starts from rupees 2,800 to 3,000 onwards. It goes up to 5,000 rupees. We have exclusive branded collections of suits only at Shahenshah. So do visit, make a trip here, and you will never be disappointed with our collection. You will be so happy to visit our shop. Let me show you all the collections which we have. See, this one also comes with a ready-made pant. It's a nice shining, it's a maroon color suit, a nice design around the neck. We have this purple color. Let me show you some more colors. Please show some new colors. We can always help you match along with the, if it's a wedding, we can help you match the color which looks suitable for you and which matches to the bride's dress also. Yes, we have a lovely maroon shade, we have a red color, we also do have violet, we have purple. See, we have exciting colors, so many colors to see. I am going to show you all the collection. Everything what you are seeing is size 44 friends. Yes, see, it's all 44. See, everything in 44. You might not find this collection nowhere else. You find this only at Shahenshah, Chennai. See this, such a new color, looks so attractive, very good for a photo shoot. It comes with a ready-made pant and the price only rupees 4,000. Yes, this is only rupees 3,800. A nice shining blazer, the brown color. Check this out. The finishing is all top class finish. You are lucky to get this only at Shahenshah friends. Yes, let's see some more. Please show us some more collection. Let me show you some exclusive. Yeah, check this out. Wow, check this color out. It's such a nice soft fabric. Please show us some of the Shaper brand also. Check this out. It's a nice dark red color. And let me show you the finishing of this. See, it's a complete top class finish. You are going to be very happy with your purchase. This is only rupees 4,995. If you go to stitch a same one, it will cost you at least minimum rupees 15,000 if you are going to buy this fabric and get it stitched. Let me show you some new colors in this. Please show us some new colors. Wow. Oh, amazing collections. Wow, look at this. Look at this, completely new collection, 2021 collection, size 44. Only size 44 collection I am going to show you in this video. Look at this. You want a plain black. We also have a plain black. Only rupees 2600. Yes, plain black. Only rupees 2600. So you're going to get all these collections only at Shehenshah, friends. If you are 6 feet 6 inches also and you are slim, then you can buy size 44 and we can always get it altered for you. Alteration charges are extra. There is a special tailor who gives you a very good stitch. He can make it a slim fit also for you. Alteration charges extra. There is ample car and bike parking available right opposite the shop. Our shop is located on the main road. It's right on Purswakam High Road, below the bridge. Yes, the location details are given below. You can always check it out. Visit our shop and you will be surprised to see the amazing collections of suits and blazers. We also have this lovely cream color. Yes, the most favorite cream color, available in all sizes from 34 to 44, friends. See, check out the amazing collections we have in suits and blazers. So do visit our shop and we will be delighted to show you the entire collections of suits. Also, let me show you some nice shining shirts to wear along with this. We have exclusive white satin shirt and also we have a maroon shirt which goes very well. Can you please show us the white shirt? So we have this lovely white shirt. This is a satin shirt which generally goes very well with almost all dark color suits. It goes well with a blue, it goes well with a brown, a maroon. Check this out, check out the collections. You can see the different shades available only at Shehenshah. Yes, friends, so do visit us and you will enjoy shopping at Shehenshah. Size 44. If your friends are looking for size 44, don't forget to share them this video. No more worries of finding 44 size blazer. Visit Shehenshah. Next, let me show you the blazer collection, only blazer alone. We are going to see some casual blazer collections in size 44. See, size 44 casual blazer, and guess what the price? Only rupees 1900. Rock bottom, unbelievable price. The finishing and the fit is top class. See, the fabric is very good. It's a nice soft fabric. A suit material, gives a very classic look. We also have some lovely colors in blazers. Checks currently trending, very good for parties, or you can also wear it for office meetings. You can wear it for a formal pant, or you can also wear a jeans underneath. We can help you find good t-shirts or shirts with this lovely collection of checks blazers, available from size 34 to 44. Only rupees 1900. Yes. Thank you, friends. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to our channel to stay updated for the new arrivals we will regularly post it. Thank you.